Alright, this is Rob coming to you with another video, automotive video. This is my 2006 Impala. I did a video about a month ago concerning changing the mass airflow sensor, which is right here on the car. And I think I mentioned in that video that I was having problems with the service traction control light coming on, usually when I would go uphill or kick it into the passing gear. And that's been an ongoing issue for a while, and I said that this mass airflow sensor might be tied into it, and sure enough it was. So it's been a month now, and I've put over I would say 2,000 miles on the car, and it seems to have cured the service traction control problem. So this mass airflow sensor is definitely tied in to the sensors, like the speed sensors and the traction control. So if you're having an issue where your service traction control light is coming on under those conditions, like such as kicking it in or going uphill when the car's under strain, you might want to consider, especially if your car is showing a code for the mass airflow sensor, on a code reader, which mine was, and it might solve your problem with the service traction control, because I'm getting a lot better drivability out of the car, a lot less slipping of the transmission, although that's not completely cured, but I suspect that there's still a pressure solenoid inside the transmission that is bad or going bad in this car, because every now and then I still get a slip, a slight slip off of a light or a stop sign when I'm accelerating. But anymore on the highway, when the car kicks into the passing gear, it's good to go. So you might want to check into that, because that replacing that part, which was about 70 bucks or maybe $65 or so, it has solved that problem. So this applies for 2006 through 2013 Impala. So you might want to check that out. It might just help you.